Welcome, dear 10th standard students. Last video class, I discussed in the chapter Numbers and Sequence. The topic is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, we learned the definition and some concept of arithmetic progression and doing sums from the exercise and examples. In the video class, we are going to teach sums from the exercise and example. Example number 2.25, 2.26, 2.27 and exercise 2.5, sums from 5 to 11. Exercise 2.5 fifth sum. Which term of an AP 16, 11, 6, 1 and so on is minus 54? Given the AP is 16, 11, 6, 1 and so on. Minus 54 is the term in the sequence. Find which term. Tn is minus 54. To find n, Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is 16. D is t2 minus t1, second term minus first term. 11 minus 16. 11 minus 16 minus 5. Tn is minus 54. A is 16 plus n minus 1. D is minus 5 is equal to minus 54. N minus 1 into minus 5 is equal to minus 54 minus 16. Minus 54 minus 16 minus 70. N minus 1 into minus 5 is equal to minus 70. N minus 1 is equal to minus 70 by minus 5. N minus 1 is equal to 14. 70 by 5, 14. N is equal to 14 plus 1, n is equal to 15. Therefore, minus 54 is the 15th term of the given AP. Sixth one. Find the middle terms of an AP 9, 15, 21, 27 up to 183. The AP is 9, 15, 21, 27 and up to 183. To find middle terms of the given sequence. Here A is 9, D is T2 minus T1, 15 minus 9, 6. L, last term is 183. To find number of terms in the given AP. Formula n is equal to n minus a by d plus 1. L is 183. A is 9, D is 6. 183 minus 9 by 6 plus 1. 183 minus 9, 174 by 6 plus 1. 174 by 6, 29 plus 1. 29 plus 1, 30. N is 30. Number of terms is given AP is 30. Even number of terms here. So the middle terms are n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. N by 2, 30 by 2 is equal to 15th term. 50th term. N by 2 plus 1, 30 by 2 plus 1, 50 plus 1, 60th term. To find 15th and 16th term. To find 15th term, Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is 9, d is 6, n is 15. T15, 9 plus 15 minus 1 into 6. 9 plus 15 minus 1, 14. 14 into 6. 9 plus 14 into 6, 84. 9 plus 84, 93. T15 is 93. To find 60th term, A is 9, D is 6, N is 16. T16 is 9 plus 16 minus 1 into 6. 9 plus 15 into 6. 15 into 6, 90. 9 plus 90, 99. T16 is 99. The middle terms of the given AP are 93 and 99. Example number 2.25. Find the 15th, 24th and nth term, that is general term, of an AP given by 3, 15, 27, 39. Given the AP is 3, 15, 27, 39. Here A is 3, D is T2 minus T1, 15 minus 3, 12. The nth term of an AP is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the formula for nth term of the AP. To find 15th term, T15 is equal to A3, n minus 1, n is 15 minus 1, d is 12. 3 plus 15 minus 1, 14. 14 into 12,
168. 3 plus 168, 171. T15 is 171. To find 24th term, T24 is equal to 3 plus 24 minus 1 into 12. 3 plus 24 minus 1, 23 into 12. 23 into 12, 256. 3 plus 256, 259. The general term is Tn is a plus n minus 1 into t. A is 3, d is 12. 3 plus n minus 1 into 12. 3 plus n into 12, 12n. Minus 1 into 12, minus 12. 3 minus 12, minus 9. 12n minus 9. Tn is 12n minus 9. Example number 2.26. Find the number of terms in the AP 3, 6, 9, 12 up to 111. Here A is 3, D is T2 minus T1, 6 minus 3, 3. D is 3. L is 111. To find number of terms, formula for finding a number of terms, n is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. Here L is last term, A is first term, D is common difference. Last term is 111, first term is 3, common difference is 3. 111 minus 3 by 3 plus 1. 111 minus 3, 108 by 3 plus 1. 108 by 3, 36 plus 1. 36 plus 1, 37. Thus, the AP containing 37 terms. Example number 2.27. Determine the general term of an AP whose 7th term is minus 1 and the 16th term is 17. In AP, the 7th term of the AP is minus 1 and the 16th term of AP is 17. Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. D7 is minus 1. A plus 7 minus 1 into d is equal to minus 1. A plus 60 is equal to minus 1. Equation number 1 taken. T16 is 17. A plus 16 minus 1 into d is equal to 17. A plus 15d is equal to 17. A plus 15d is equal to 17. Taken equation number 2. Using 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, 2 minus 1. Second equation minus 1. First equation. A plus 5d is equal to 17. A plus 6d is equal to minus 1. Minus plus. A minus A 0. 15d minus 6d 9d. 17 plus 1 18. D is equal to 18 by 9. D is equal to 2. Substitute D is equal to 2 in equation 1. A plus 6d is equal to minus 1. That is the first equation. A plus 6 into D is 2. 6 into 2 is equal to minus 1. A is equal to 12 is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1 minus 12. A is equal to 13. If A is minus 13 and D is 2, the general term is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is equal to minus 13 plus n minus 1 into 2. 2 into n minus 1, 2 into n, 2n, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Minus 13 plus 2n minus 2. Minus 13 minus 2, minus 15. Tn is 2n minus 15. Exercise 2.5 sum. If 9 times 9th term is equal to the 15 times 15th term, show that 6 times 24th term is 0. Given that 9 times of 9th term is equal to 15 times of 15th term. Given. To find 6 times of 24th term is 0. 6 T24 is 0. Using Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 9 into T9 is equal to 15 into T15. 9 into A plus 9 minus 1 into D is equal to 15 into A plus 15 minus 1 into D. 9 A plus 8D is equal to 15 A plus 14D. 9 into A, 9A, 9 into 8, 72, 72D is equal to 15 into A, 15A, 15 into 14D, 210D. 9A minus 15A is plus 72D minus 210D is equal to 0. 9A minus 15A minus 6A. 72D minus 210D minus 138D is equal to 0 minus 6a minus 138d is equal to 0 divided by minus 1 6a plus 138d is equal to 0. Taking out 6 from the terms, 6 into a plus 23d is equal to 0. A plus 23d is 24th term. T 6 into t 24 is equal to 0. Hence proved. Exercise 2.587. If 3 plus k, 18 minus k, 5k plus 1 are in AP, then find k. Given the given 3 terms, 3 plus k, 18 minus k, 5k plus 1 are in AP. Using common difference condition, T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. T1, T2, T3. 18 minus k minus 3 plus k is equal to 5k plus 1 minus 18 minus k. 18 minus k minus 3 minus k is equal to 5k plus 1 minus 18 plus k. 18 minus 3, 50. Minus k minus 2k is equal to 5k plus k, 6k. 1 minus 18 minus 17. Minus 2k minus 6k is equal to minus 17 minus 15. Minus 8k is equal to minus 32. K is equal to minus 32 by minus 8. K is 4. Exercise 2.597. Find x, y and z given that the numbers x, 10, y, 24, z are in AP. Given x, 10, y, 24, z are in AP. Find x, y and z. Here, first term is x, second term is 10, third term is y, fourth term is 24, fifth term is z. T2 is 10. T2 is 10. Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus 2 minus 1 into d is equal to 10. A plus d is equal to 10. Taken as equation 1. T4, fourth term is 24. A plus 4 minus 1 into d is equal to 24. A plus 3d is equal to 24. Equation number 2. 2 minus 1. A plus 3d is equal to 24. A plus d is equal to 10. 2 minus 1 minus minus minus. A minus a 0 cancel. 3d minus d 2d. 24 minus 10 14. D is equal to 14 by 2. D is equal to 7. Substitute D is equal to 7 in equation 1. First equation is A plus D is equal to 10. A plus D is 7. A plus 7 is equal to 10. A is equal to 10 minus 7. A is equal to 3. If A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 7, the first term x is 3. T3 is y. The third term is y. T3 is T2 plus D. T2 is 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Y is 17. T5 is Z. T5 is T4 plus D. The fourth term is 24. 24 plus 7, 31. Z is 31. Therefore, x is 3, y is 17 and Z is 31. Exercise 2.5 tension. In a theatre, there are 20 seats in the front row and 30 rows were allotted. Each successive row contains 2 additional seats than its front row. How many seats are there in the last row? Here, in a theatre, the number of rows is 30. In the first row, 20 seats are allotted. The successive rows are added 2 in the previous row. Find number of seats in the last row. Here A is 20. The first number of seats in the first row is 20. So A is 20. D is 2. The addition of each row is 2. So D is 2. N is 30. Total number of rows is 30. To find number of seats in the last row. To find T30. Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. T30 is A 20 plus n 30 minus 1 D 2. 20 plus 30 minus 1 29 into 2. 20 plus 39 into 2 58. 20 plus 58 78. T 30 is 78. Number of seats in the last row is 78. Exercise 2.5 11 sum. The sum of the three consecutive terms that are in AP is 27 and their product is 288. Find the three terms. Let the three terms be A minus D, A plus D. Sum of the three terms is 27. A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 27. A plus A 3A minus D plus D cancel. 3A is equal to 27. A is equal to 27 by 3. A is 9. Product of the three term is 288. A minus D into A plus D is equal to 288. A is 9 into A 9 minus D. 9 into A plus D is equal to 288. 9 square minus D square is equal to 288 divided by 9. 9 square 81 minus D square is equal to 288 divided by 9, we get 32. Minus D square is equal to 32 minus 81. Minus D square is equal to minus 49. D square is equal to 49. D is plus or minus 7. 7 into 7, 49. If A is 9 and D is 7, then the three terms are A minus D is 9 minus 7, 2. A is 9. A plus D is equal to 9 plus 7, 16. If A is 9 and D is minus 7, A minus D is equal to 9 minus 7 is equal to 9 plus 7, 16. A is 9. A plus D is equal to 9 minus 7, 2. Therefore, the three terms are 2, 9 and 16.